So, what does Mandela say in this stanza? That I'll explain to you now. Okay, Mandela is actually thinking about the history at the day of inauguration only, and he is completely emotional when he was thinking about his past. Okay, he was actually thinking how the people suffered a lot in, we can say, in many decades of, we can say, 20th century. So, how this all started, how the apartheid system, how the white domination started. This all started with an Anglo-Boer War actually. Okay, Mandela says this all started with Anglo-Boer War. Anglo-Boer was between whites and blacks, whites versus blacks. Okay, this started in earlier 20th century, and here whites won and blacks were defeated. And you know, when any war, when there is any war between two countries or between two groups, there is always a treaty signed between them. So after Anglo-Boer War, they signed a treaty. They patched up their differences. Whites and blacks signed a treaty, they signed an agreement, and they patched up between them. According to this treaty, whites started dominating blacks. Whites people started dominating black people, and this all happened in earlier 20th century, means from 1901 to 1910. Okay, and white started a system in South Africa according to this treaty, according to the, when they started ruling over South Africa, and this system was called apartheid system. Okay, apartheid system is that system in which there is color discrimination. Okay, in which there is discrimination on the basis of the color of skin, and this system was started by whites over blacks. Okay, and this was very strict and unkind. It was very, as we read in that, it was this in book also, it was very harsh and inhuman. Okay, but Mandela says now in the last decade of 20th century, okay, now when he became first black president, this system has been changed, this system has been finished, and now there would be a rule of all the people over South Africa. Now they started a democratic country. Okay, when he became the first black president of South Africa, now this system has been overturned, and now there would be rights given to all the people. Nobody would dominate others. Okay, there would be rule of all the means there people would live happily with all we can say rights and dignity.